this video, we discover why factories create fake version of products during testing. Factories make many things we use every day. They make food, they make clothes, they make machines, they even make toys and tools. But before the real products are made, something interesting happens. Factories often create fake version of this product. They are used only for testing. Today, we discuss why factories create fake products before making the real ones. But before I continue, let me tell you what is a fake product in a factory. Let me explain it to you. A fake product is a test version of a real item. It looks almost the same on the outside, but inside it may be very different. Sometimes it is made from cheaper materials, sometimes it is made from hand, sometimes it is made by machine, sometimes it is only half finished, while sometimes it does not even work at all. Factory calls it prototypes or sample. This fake version helps the factory to learn if an idea will work or not. Now, the first reason why factories always produce the fake version of products before the real one. Reason number one, factories test safety first. Safety is the most important rule in every factory. The fake product helps engineers find danger before people use the real one. Factories test safety by bending and breaking chairs, dropping phones, hitting or freezing toys, shaking devices to their limits. If something breaks too easily, they redesign it. Second reason is factories test strength and durability. Factories want products to last a long time. The fake version helps them check strength. They test weight, pressure, heat, water, repeated use. Some machines bend, twist or press products thousands of times. This shows how long the real product will last. Now, the third reason is factories test the design. Factories want the final product to look good and feel good. The fake version helps them check shape, size, color, button placement, comfort, safety of edges. Sometimes a tiny change improves the whole product. Fourth reason is factories try different materials. Factories test many materials to find the best one. They check if the material is strong or weak, light or heavy, safe or harmful, cheap or costly, easy or hard to recycle. The wrong material can ruin the product, so fake version helps find the right material. Now, the fifth reason, factories test cost. Factories want to know the cost of making each product. They test the fake version to calculate price of materials. This helps them set the final price in every factory. Reason number 6, the sixth reason, factory test the machine. Machines must be tested before reproduction begins. Fake product helps factory check cutting, bending, gluing, painting, and shaping. If a machine fails, the fake product shows it easily. Now, our seventh reason, factories predict future problems. Fake versions reveal problems before they happen. Factories look for crack, weak spot, loose parts, sharp edges, wear and tear. Finding this early saves time and money. Now, after testing, after creating all this fake version, after testing it, what happens after testing? Factories study the results, list problems, they think of improvement, they redesign the parts, they fix machine, they repeat tests if needed. Only when everything is perfect, the real version is made. So before you see any product outside, remember that the factory must have done the fake version before creating the real version of that product. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more factory insights. Thanks for watching.